In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a toggle in your notes. A toggle hides and reveals details so your page stays clean. You'll see a short title on one line, and the extra information sits underneath until you open it. It's perfect for FAQs, meeting minutes, study notes, or anywhere you want a summary first and details on demand. Open the note where you want the toggle to live. Place your cursor exactly where it should begin, usually under the right heading or section. Taking a moment to position it helps your document stay organized later. If your app has editing modes, switch to edit so what you type formats correctly. With the note open and your cursor set, you're ready to add the toggle title. On a new line, type the greater than symbol, the right pointing angle bracket, followed by a single space. Immediately after that space, type the title of your toggle. Keep it short and informative, like overview, resources, or action items, so you can recognize it at a glance. The greater than symbol plus the space tells the app to treat this as a toggle header. Press enter to move to the next line where the hidden details will go. Now add the content that should stay hidden until the toggle is opened. Indent the line by pressing tab once or by typing 4 spaces. That indentation nests this material under the toggle title. Type the supporting details here, explanations, examples, links, or a short checklist, whatever belongs under that heading. If the text doesn't appear nested, check that the indentation is 1 tab or 4 spaces and that it's on the line below the title, not on the same line. Next, find the small triangle next to your toggle title. Click it to expand and reveal the indented content, and click again to collapse the section and keep your page tidy. This visual cue makes it clear what's open and what's hidden. That's all there is to it. Open your note, type the greater than symbol and a space plus your title, indent the details underneath, and use the triangle to open and close. Practice it once or twice and it will feel natural.